In this video, I'm going to show you a Retool tutorial for beginners. So Retool is a powerful no-code and low-code platform that simplifies building custom internal tools for businesses. Whether you're looking to create dashboards, manage databases, or automate workflows, Retool allows users to build applications quickly without requiring extensive programming knowledge. So in this tutorial, I'll guide beginners through Retool's basic functionalities. But before we start, what is Retool? Retool is a no code development platform designed to help teams build custom apps and tools for internal use. It connects with your databases, APIs, and services, enabling users to create interfaces that interact seamlessly with their data. From simple data entry tools to complex analytics dashboards, Retool provides an intuitive drag and drop interface that empowers both technical and non technical users to build apps with ease. So now let's get started. So if you already have an account, just click here on sign in. If you're just starting, just click on start for free. Now from here, we will be required to sign up. So I recommend just continue with your Google email. On continue. Now first tell us a bit about yourself. So let's just add our name, click on continue. So how familiar are you with programming? So let's just click on beginner. Do you have a use case in mind? So I'm just going to select no, just checking this out. But if you can also answer yes if you want, if you know what you want to build. And now Retool is preparing our dashboard. As you can see right here, get started. So you will see templates right here, such as admin panel, approval flow, and dashboard. You also have the resources right here. So let's just say we want to create our dashboard. So let's click here on dashboard. Now Retool will generate our pre-made dashboard right here, or the dashboard template. So as you can see, this is how it should look like. So we have 5 different tabs right here, such as home, transactions, resources, sales, workflows, and this is what the dashboard will look like. So if you want to edit this dashboard, you can always click. And as you can see right here, you can drag and drop this. Let's undo that. So what you can do here is you can drag and drop these dashboards wherever you want it to be placed, and also edit it. Say right here, connect data. So the code will pop up right here. So you can either add resources if you want, such as Google Sheets. So if you have the data in your Google Sheets, you can connect it, and it will automatically be directed right here in the plan distribution chart. So let's just go back to our home page first. So here in our home page, we will see all of the projects that we have created. So you can see right here, this is the one a while ago. We can see recent, starred, modules, folders, and trash. So if you want to create new ones, as you can see right here, there is a get started section right here in the top right. So you can either create a web app, a mobile app, resource, workflow, or form. Next, we have these tabs right here in the top, such as the resources. So from here, you can add new folders to organize your resources. You also have pre-made resources right here, such as the Retool database, Retool storage, Retool email, Retool AI, and Retool vectors. So if you want to add or create a new resource, you can simply click here, create new, click on resource. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different resources right here and integrations. They integrate with Slack, with OpenAI, Microsoft Teams, and all of these popular apps. Now let's just go back. So you can also use resources to connect to any database or API with Retool. Next is database. As you can see, these is the database of Retool. So if you know any coding knowledge, you can always edit this out. You can import CSV2. You can see this is just a sample for your new account. It's just a sample transactions. As you can see, of course, you can add a row if you want. You can also import using a CSV file, and you can always add a new table right here. Next, let's go back. Let's go to our query library. And this should be your query library. If you want to add one, you can always click here, top left. You can see Retool AI. This is like the automation of Retool. So you can select the action right here, the input, system message, and what AI you want to use. So they have a bunch of different AIs right here using OpenAI. They also use GPT-4. So let's say you want to automate a message, you can always click here, select generate text, and whenever let's say good morning, whenever they type in good morning, you can always add the system message right here. So whenever someone uses your app and says good morning, you can add a system message, an automated message to reply to this greeting. So this is how you can use your query library. Next is the workflows. As you can see right here, you can always create new folders to organize your workflows and of course create new workflows yourself. So again, this workflow is same as automation. So this is just another automation. So you can create your start triggers. You don't really need advanced coding skills right here. You can always add new ones such as blocks or AI action. You can drag and drop them, as you can see, and you can connect all of this tables yourself. So these are the connectors. You can see. So just explore more about how you can use the workflows in Retool. So you have resources too. You can see. So here you can add resources to your workflows. And that's about all of the features of Retool. So if you're planning to use Retool for your automations, or if you want to build apps, just freely explore the platform. And in no time, you can now be using this in your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.